Una good morning. Justice for the 600,000 families where CBN governor while they don't say they share money give. Why attach the list of the people they share the money for? And why they not talk about the amount we then share for each of the family? Why? Now, so Buhari Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, that woman. Now, so they say she share money during Buhari regime. Now, the only work where she work during that time. Now, only when Buhari come out, now they thought say they arrest am, say she tips so amount of she tip billions of naira. And for all those money which she thief,